This now means that they can genuinely look to grow this business globally. Their problem was they wanted to digitize their business. They were running on paper-based and spreadsheet-based solutions. They had 4 failed attempts at implementing a trading platform, and they were looking for someone to help navigate that sort of future journey. I solved the problem by looking at the way that they had approached the deployment of the commercial trading platform, and that was not to engage the team. It was a senior decision taken by the chairman at the time. And what we really wanted to do was to take a different approach. That approach was to try and involve the traders and the other parts of the organization, and to build a custom solution we felt would be the right option for them, and to involve those people in every step of the journey. That meant there was a little resistance to change because they were part of the solution, and we felt it would have a greater chance of success, which ultimately turned out to be the case. Basically, the company is now following standard processes across the organization, so every trader conducts their trades in the same way. There is full transparency on the business, how much they're selling, who are they selling to, where are they buying their coffee. The amount of profitability of the business is now measurable. We're now running on Microsoft Dataverse and Fabric, which lets us go in and do analytics, producing dashboards and reports on the likes of PowerBI, which has never been used up to this point in time. So the business really understands how it's operating, how profitable it is, and it is able to look ahead and start to project, growth opportunities based on that data. Most of the business today is in the UK. There are some international trades done with customers in the likes of Europe and South Africa. But they really felt that they weren't able to grow the organization and support a large amount of business overseas with the old methodologies. This has now unlocked that. This now means that they can genuinely look to grow this business globally and to increase the amount of sales to overseas clients versus just UK domestic, which just increases the opportunities for us to grow and expand enormously.